Okay, welcome back. We will evaluate this postfix expression here. We'll do it using the direct method first quickly, right? We need to scan from left to right until we encounter an operator, right? So here 8, 2, we encountered an operator. So 2 will be, what will be operand? What will be operand 2? 2 would be operand 2, and what would be operand 1? 8 would be operand 1, right? And the operator is nothing but division. So therefore 8 by 2 is 4. So I will write 4 3 minus 3 2 star plus as it is, right? Again I will scan from left to right. 4 3 minus, right? So 3 would be operand 2, 4 would be operand 1, and I have minus here. I will put minus here. That is nothing but 1, right? 1 3 2 star plus. I will write everything as it is here, right? Again I will scan from left to right. 1 3 2 star. I will stop, right? Again, what would be operand 1 and what would be operand 2 here, right? 2 would be operand 2 and 3 would be operand 1, and I have the operator star here. I'll put star here. That is nothing but 6 here, right? I'll say here 1 6 plus. Now I'll scan again from left to right, right? 1 6 plus. I will stop here, right? 6 would be operand 2 and 1 would be operand 1. That is nothing but 7, right? 7 is our answer. 7 is our answer, right? So let us check whether we have done it correctly using stacks here, right? So first the stack is empty. Initially the stack is empty, so I will draw an empty stack here, and then we scan from left to right and insert every operand into the stack. So 8 2 until and unless we encounter an operator. So 8 is pushed into the stack, and then 2 is also pushed into the stack, and then we stop. Why? Because division is there here. We stop it, and then we pop out 2 and we pop out 8. So 8 would be, so again 2 would be operand 2. I'll write it again. 2 would be operand 2. What would be operand 1? Operand 1 would be 8 here. So 8 by 2 is nothing but 4. Yes or no? So I will write division here. So division 8 divided by 2. 8 divided 2, that is nothing but 4, right? So I'll draw the stack here. So because we popped out, the stack would be empty now, right? Nothing in the stack. But after evaluation of 8 by 2, I will push 4 into the stack. I will push 4 into the stack here, right? I'll push 4 into the stack, and then comes 3. After 8 by 2, I have 3 and then minus. Because I have minus, I will stop. I'll write 3 and I will stop here, right? I will pop out 3 and 4. Now I have an empty stack here. I popped out 3 and 4, right? 3 would be operand 2 and 4 would be operand 1, and I have minus here, right? So I'll place minus here. 4 minus 3, 1. I will push 1 into the stack now, right? So we have seen 8 2, we have seen 4, and we have seen 3, correct? And now I have, after minus, I have 3, I have 2. I will stop because now we have encountered multiplication, right? Now what is the top? What should I pop out now? I should pop out 2 and 3. So 2 would be operand 2, yes or no? And 3 would be operand 1. And what is the operator? Multiplication. That would be 6 here. So the stack now after I popped out would be 1 only, because I popped out 2 and 3. So after evaluation I have 6. I will push 6 into the stack, right? So after star there is plus here. Again I'll pop out 6 and 1. My stack would be empty now, and 6 would be operand 2 and 1 would be operand 1, and I have a arithmetic operator plus here, right? I have plus here. I'll put plus in between 1 and 6. There is nothing but 7, and then I will push 7 into the stack. After plus there is nothing, so my final answer would be 7, which is actually equal to the direct method, right? So I hope you have understood evaluation of postfix expressions. In the next video we will see a couple of expressions where we will evaluate prefix expressions.